7 in the morning. I went to bed at 5. And about a couple months ago, I decided it was a smart idea to sign up for a bread making class with my mother. So today we're gonna do that, run on low fumes, low fuel. Let's get her going, bud. And say a quick prayer for your boy. I feel like shit. How to hide that you're a massive piece of shit from your mother, 101. Hi, Mom. You ready to get this bread? Guess what time I went to bed?
3.
6. 2 hours of sleep. I can hear you. You can talk. Right.
That's okay, so you're gonna be playing with the flour.
I gotta play with the flour because I need the dough. Get it?
Yeah,
Alright. Bye. Still kind of drunk. Oh, I'm making a video for YouTube. You're in it, man. Get over it. Get over it. Dude, they've been asking about you. Some girl on my Instagram said, thank your mother for birthing you. For
Not
me.
easy.
For her.
It was a big baby.
Still am.
I'm Rita. I'm from Toronto, Canada, and I'm the designated family baker. So I thought every holiday when they hand out who's bringing what, I always get the baked goods. So I thought it would be nice to expand my repertoire and bring bread. So, and who better to learn from but the best in the industry? So that's why I'm here.
My name's Zach. I'm very experienced at eating baked goods, not so much at making them, so I'm just excited to learn. Here with my mom today and maybe give her a help on these family occasions. So yeah, everything I know about cooking is from her, so I'm excited to learn more about baking.
Alright, how's it feeling?
Sticky.
Sticky? Yeah. This is like a everything together all you guys want to do another salt.
Clean up aisle 4. You guys are doing great. Supervising. It's all done by me, no help for my teammates.
And it's going to chill down. But you can see they've got a ways to go before they crest the top of the pan. So this will be something that we get to later in the day. But it is good to visually inspect your loaves as you go along. Okay? The middle, if I score 90 degrees, it's going to encourage the loaf to open up or spread more. If I score more at a 45-degree angle, that's going to encourage more of an ear on my loaves in order to score my loaf. However, I wouldn't mind a few additional kind of gratuitous marks. And I'm kind of just going for using about a third of the blade. And I'm trying to avoid dragging the bottom. And so now, what I'm going to do is...
Wow. Beautiful. Have you ever done this before? Wow. You don't show up to Christmas with bread like that. Don't even come.
Okay. Kind of reach the top of the pan. So on the because they're pretty much ready to bake.
We're done. 2 hours of sleep, 8 hours of baking. How you been? Large. Stop trying to hide. Stop trying to fucking hide from the camera, Rita. Wish I could say this is what I do for a living, but I don't get paid. We'll recap in the vehicle.
Yeah, then and they say nothing when it's time to give up other cookies back to people. Like you want them now that they manhandled them. But then we had to make these. Are you filming me?
No.
Yeah. Okay, stop. Stop.
Tell him.
Don't.
Tell him.
No.
You're in the fucking video. Get
Don't
over
post
it.
that. Get out of here. God.
My mom did not like the cooking class.
Yes, I did. Don't say that.
I like the instructor. I just think the class
Okay,
sucked.
Shut it off. Now.
I'm not a baker.
Shut it off.
I'm definitely more a savory guy.
Okay.
Baking's too
Okay,
crazy.
Zach, drive. Forget this.
How do you feel? She's not impressed.
Okay, I'm impressed. Shut up. No.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Comment down below if you want to see my mom cook a meal on Sugo Sunday. Mom, do you want to come on an episode?
Now, cut it off.
Do you want to come on an episode?
Yeah, if you shut it off.
You're lying.
Shut it off.
She won't do it.
Shut it off, I'll do it.
No.
Yeah, I'll make meatballs.
We already did meatballs.
Alright. Shut it off.
Ciao, ciao.